Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. This is part 2 of our video, which is dynamic import records. Here we will see that how to import your files using SFTP process. So once you've downloaded the application from the Play Store, you will open the same and you will first step is to configure your import records, that is from where you want to import your files. So firstly we will see that how we will import the records from sales order. Here you will configure or map your columns against your CSV file. So this is one of the CSV file that we have prepared. In this CSV file you can see all the columns and the details as we have seen. So this is what I want to import into the records. So you will configure the column names over here, that is A, B, D and E is the column I want to import, and against that column you will map the fields that in which column which field is to be selected. Here the same fields are to be selected. And if your sales order has order lines as well, and if you want to import the order lines, you will also select order lines and select the subtable of the order line, where you can select the other things that you want to import along with the main table, which is product, quantity and price. There is column E, F and G. It is also seen over here, E, F and G. This is all you want to import against this all the information. So that is what we have configured over here. So as you configure the same and save the same, you will have to run the SFTP syncing, which is as simple as that. Now you go to SFTP syncing and you will also create one more configuration over here, which is your mention your server name, host name, username, password, port, your company details in case you have 2 to 3 companies in your Odoo database. You will select the store name, that is import dynamic records. Over here you will select the record where you want to import your files, that is sales order. Here you will select your file path from where you want to import the records, and here if you want to select your first row as a header, you will check this box as well. After configuring all these settings, you will click to automatic cron jobs, which means that whenever you have set to run the process, the job will be run automatically into your system. That is every 2 or 3 hours, whatever you have mentioned, the process will be run in the Odoo database, and you will not have to do it manually like in manually importing the files. So this is how the process will be done, and it is as simple as that. Once you have imported all these files, you will see the same into your sales order, where you will see the imports of the information that you have mentioned into your CSV files. And the other thing is log details. So if you have run any faulty process, that is over here. So this is the log details. If you have run any faulty process in your while you are importing anything, you will see those logs over here, which will also help you to know that this process is gone wrong or something has went wrong, something like this. So this will also help you while you are running the process. So that's all from our side. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues regarding importing the dynamic records on your end. Our team is here to help you 24/7. Write back to us anytime. Thank you for watching us. Thank you so much.